Nation, and let's have some fun with our satin gloves. This is one of my very favorite glove reveals. It will look like this. So with your gloves, you want to make sure that you have a little space at the end of the gloves. So you're going to take your hips and you're going to move your hips from side to side, making like a little circle 8. You're going to take your hands and slide them across. We're going to do a little pop, 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 pop. So I'm doing a little pop of the fingers. Take the hands, slide them underneath the elbow. Do a little step across, look over the shoulder, bring it above the head, and you're pulling the hand out, pop, as you remove the glove. So it's an over the head type of glove reveal. Let's do the other side. So we're gonna slide the hand up, slide the hand over the head, slide them down. Here we go, we'll do a little pop, 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 over the elbow, over the head, a little glove. Peel.